Wagwan ENT.
Yo. Oh, no. I don't get the VIP section, you know. So anybody knows them a VIP can come down here, so. VIP section this. If you know say you're no VIP, go up at the back. If you know say you're VIP, come down here, so. Hey, Ricky Chopper, you know easy, you know. Hey, we had a whole lot there. You know some love trouble Ricky Chopper. And him know some going to trouble him now. Where him gone? Ricky Chopper, come here. Come here, Ricky Chopper, because you know some love trouble you. Ricky Chopper, him gone.
Yo, me forward.
I piece him gone, go piece it on.
No, I'm not talking to the boss.
No, you are no.
Sure.
Ricky Chopper. The last time I say Ricky Chopper, you know, a sugar mine and thing. And me I tell the people them say, hey, Ricky Chopper love YouTube, you know. You didn't mention YouTube a while ago. Him love YouTube, you know why him love YouTube? Him come on YouTube a hold up gun. Him come on YouTube a hold up gun. And that cost people. And the government just take away visa. You see, you get back your visa yet?
Yeah, man, me get it by a long time, man. Me get my visa, you know.
No, you don't have visa for go to Grenada, you know.
No, man. Me get by the visa, you know. We go Europe, England, Canada, but no America.
Oh, you don't get the visa
no
for
America.
Ricky Chopper, man. I hear you draw two rank tune a while ago, though, you know. If you didn't know something there, you wouldn't play them, you know. It's alright, you know which one. Go on, man.
Praise the Lord, church.
Reggae Chopper, what I say? Killamanjaro, Stone Love. You don't have to clap them. Yeah, man. So you what they have to do now? What they have to ready? We're going to call up the Brigadier Jerry. Brigadier Jerry.
My name is Leroy. Give me this out.
Lord of mercy, Jesus Christ, why you should nice? Hey, jump up for Reggae on the roughest DJ that every DJ Rasta. Oh, the mic can't sound better. Give me some volume on the mic, bro. Fix up the mic, man. Lord of mercy. All the Facebook family big up on the chest. Jump up for Reggae on the roughest DJ that ever DJ Rastafari highway. But I don't care and I don't mind on what not DB DJ want to do or say. Idiot, how will you a do? How will you a try? But all they try you a try me say tonight you're going to die. Rasta don't tell lies. And all they try you and try me say tonight you're going to die. Rasta don't sell some fire. He goes the boom boom bam bam bam. So he the DJ head. Any guy with test is not DJ. They going to bam bam bam. So he the yata head. Any guy with test DJ them going to death. Come follow me. We going to take a idiot DJ from outer in bed. Pick him off a pillar. Pick him off a spread. Squeeze down the pillar. But he the idiot head and go wake up. Pronounce that then boom bam bam bye. Boom bam bam bye. And it goes like this one more time, yeah. Yeah. Bring it better than them. Yeah. From the Brigadier band. No guy never turned me on. I've been said, well, who goes? Roughest thing on 2 foot man. Love the woman them to death, man. We got chat now. Ricky Chopper. You don't know it yet. All over the place. Lord. Zoom. Only one general in the Lord. 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 But Charlie Chaplin on the principal. And Josie William on the colonel. And them say Billy and the Admiral. And them say Stitchy and the Governor. The Hurley be him and the Doctor. And Super Cat him and the Indian. And Ninja Man and Dan Gorgon. And them say Shabba and the Rankin. And them say Butchut and the Banton. The false prophet that a Capleton. But Brigadier him and the General. But Brigadier him and the General. And me say Brigadier the General. Just tell me where have you been to? Brigadier the General. Just tell me where have you been to? Long time tearing down Japan. Long time mashing up London. Long time tearing up Canada. And I'm on in South America. I want to go to Africa land. I want to go to Mount Zion. I don't give a damn if River Jordan is rolling. I'll be rolling across Georgia River. Rowing across that river. One ball of Jordan River. Just keep rolling along. Jump up and Brigadier General. Lord of mercy. This one goes out to all the man who knows the more virgin. I don't know what I was history still. It goes up. Jesus Christ. Oh, that Ricky Chupak, I don't know me no play. Me no rap, me no lay. Lord of mercy. Cause every man in want me virgin still. Every man in want me virgin still. Original is original. I don't take back talk. We don't talk no shit after dark. I want to hear time for a big dog bark. Lord of mercy. Jesus Christ. Why Rasta youth you nice. Baby. But every man in want me brethren still. But every man in want me brethren me so still. But every man in want me brethren still. But every man in want me brethren still. I'm talking about the rich man, the poor man, the beggar man, the thief, the lawyers and the doctor, Hindi and judge and chief. Every man in want me brethren still. But every man in want me brethren still. And every woman and my sister set speed. But every woman and my sister set speed. Talking about the white and the black, the purple and the blue. Many are called, but the chosen are few. It's the gates of Zion, Rasta man have to walk through. One by one, I visit two by two. But every man in want me brethren still. But every man in want me brethren still. But every man in want me brethren still. But every man in want me brethren still now. You better tickle the naughty dreadlocks like before. Come tickle the naughty dreadlocks like before. Cause if he drop off from bed, he can't blast the floor. She mash down the window, she tear down the door. I'm a jump in a bus and say me gonna red board. The lad say go up and make she tickle you some more. Every man in want me brethren still. But every woman on me sister set speed. But every man in want me brethren still. But every woman on me sister set speed. Put in the road, Jack. Don't wanna come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Just hit the road, Jack. Don't wanna come back no more. Say my daddy went fishing and my mama in the kitchen. Say she gets it ready and she finger licking chicken. It's the road, Jack. Wow, don't you come back no more. Hey, hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. Rastafari live it, man.
Yes, Brigadier Jerry. Yeah, man. We are move forward, you know. We are move forward. We're not stopping. Admiral Tibet. Admiral Tibet.
Yeah. Greetings. Hold it, Freddy. Maintain the speed, the normal speed. Are you feeling? Say, highway, run it. We are living in a serious time, yes. Don't let the devil blow your mind. The time is so serious.
The time is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. Lord, all over the world, everyone is in a heat to rush. It's not everything good to talk. I don't trust no shadows of the dark. They will walk and talk, eat and drink with you, pretend as if they are with you, but I won't let the one harm me, and I won't try to harm anyone. For when you think it's peace and safety, it's a sudden destruction. The time is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous.
What it? Bounce it low. How you feel? Well, I know. Me have an next tune. Trooper, I want you to touch back that rhythm there. Different tune on the same rhythm. Scene. You remember this? Sure. Right now, I and I cannot live in peace. Just because of some guys who call themselves gun youth or gunman. Mad thing. Sure.
Terrorists, why won't you stop terrorizing the neighborhood?
You see it? Are you mean?
Got it, so.
Yeah. Terrorists, why won't you stop terrorizing the neighborhood? The people want to live in the right way they should. Terrorists, why won't you stop terrorizing the neighborhood? You're no good, no, you're no good, no. Miss May, we have a little grandson, yo, who used to live by the gun, but one day he got out of control and lost his soul. Babylon hit him up and took him up in a corner. Him up in ball out in murder. They take off my waist, 1 3 years revolver. He never go any further. So terrorists,
Trooper, track 2. Track 2.
oh yeah, bounce it low.
Yeah, man. Question. Trooper, stop it there for me. Stop it there for me. Now what does it pay a man to gain the world and lose his soul? Nothing but death and destruction. I want the eye them listen to that tune, yeah. Run it, Trooper.
Oh yeah. Listen to this. The people of this world gone crazy. I said the people of this world gone mad. All because what? Oh yeah. Listen to this. The people of this world gone crazy. I said the people of this world gone mad. All because of vanity. They will do anything just to have. I heard someone saying the other day that life doesn't make sense living. They lost their faith along the way, but Jah is always forgiving. I don't have to be rich to be a happy man. Happy man, money.
What? Hold on. How you feel? Hold on, Trooper. Hold on. Now, greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty, the Emperor Haile King Selassie I the First. Said Jah Rastafari. Wallet. And I must give thanks for the inspiration that Jah has given I to deliver the message in the music. And the music in the message. How good and how pleasant it is for I and I to be here absorbing the consciousness of the sweet reggae music. Love you.
I say leave people business and mind your own. I say leave people business. Hey, leave people business alone. Leave people business and mind your own. Leave people business alone. Leave people business and mind your own. you in my way, like a rolling stone. I like stick and stone, cannot break your bone, yeah. But I even kill Goliath with a sling and a stone. Samson killed the Philistine with the donkey jump on. So, the people business, love the item, Selassie.
Admiralty, man. May I tell you, man, leave people business alone. Trust me. You ready, Ricky? Yes, Junior Cat. Junior Cat. Junior Cat.
Addis Ababa INT.com.
Sound. Who is Killamanjaro, the tallest mountain in Africa? Mountain of the moon. Rastafari.
Whoa. Sean Paul, from my right boy, you're dead now. Silver cat and alley cat, them chop up like a bull cow. Red rat and black rat, them come dropping on my chopper. Reach all the top, all them soul, them a swapper. Same thing, make pull up. Man, simply Mama King, love is all I bring. Sean Paul, from my right boy, you're dead now. Silver cat and alley cat, them chop up like a bull cow. Red rat and black rat, them come dropping on my chopper. Reach all the top, all them soul, them a swapper. Same thing, make fish cocky, the walker upper. Can't follow me, and me them call Jonah Carter. Circle New York, and me just come back. And me bun down war yard and run with warlord. Tell them a bad man, not bad like me guard dog. One time I bling dog, and me shoot king dog. Worry about your chain, just give me your ring dog. Tell them Pepsi Cola get the rust off a gun. She might get the gunpowder dust off a gun. Me see two of them a fuss and a fight over gun. One of them drop out, then a must over gun. Policeman a come here with a jeep full of gun. Stand up like him dumb, for him bust it and run. Not play no fool, cause me a no dumb. One fingerprint for me, who no match none. Tell a liar boy, bring back the cash come. Take it down. Hit name, bop 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 on, bop 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 on, bop 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 on, bop 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 on. Boom tune a player now hear the thing drop. That simple means to the whole world lock. Who start the show now the one Jonah Carter. When coming at this you might can't come out back. What am I do? What am I try them boy you can't flap. Fool, idiot and handicap. Me not up in and nothing with dirty and slack. Praise the Lord, thank the Lord, me can't stand up and clap. Now put my mouth down the ground and chat. Nobody them no care about the poor and have not. Take the publishing and still want the ass cap. Shut off for your back and come back for your cap. Talk about your right, them come off for your shot. Sit on the victory, just make the buckle get hot and bop 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 and take it up. Take it up. And keep it low. Keep it low, take it down. Take it down, Chupa. Boy, I have a new sickness I go around now, wicked and AIDS, it named Golden. If I just see him close, I would just bowl him. Somebody need to roll in. Boy, I one of the wickedest time we ever passed through. You can imagine in 1 year, we lose 2 big pieces of diamond and gold. Man like Gregory Isaac, man like Sugar Minot. And them have Ninja Man locked down so, and them have Bujo Bantan up so. I mean, I don't know what they're talking, but I love how them deal the ganja man them round so. I don't have enough material to deal with the cereal. So, I could just go and watch and see what go happen. Now the mercy. Informer fi dead and them fi dead Batman, them fi dead and them fi dead cokehead, them fi dead and Hear me tell you, whole life hard. Make me tell you, whole life hard. Make me tell you, whole life. Have you ever hear a poor talk about white squall? Hungry a lick up on them stripe, them a ball. And the world them in your belly, but I'm still a crawl. Looks by your mouth like over white mall. Make the wait, merman, that you never catch me a ball. This is one I wanna speak about most of all. Tired to pass the prisoner, yeah, the youth, them a ball. Jamaican government so literate and some all. Have the glide at the market a run with them stall. Anyway, we pass through, nigga have a fall. Cause they know themselves, kill them back against the wall. Anyway, take him up. You take him up. Put him up, bye, bye. Put him up, bye, bye. Put him up, bye, bye. Put him up. Never want hold the gun without the gloves up on the general land. They never find fingerprint upon a murder weapon. We don't give a damn. We shot boy in front of station. Boy, watch out. Look out if they half a mouth. John Junior Carter. Tell you from over peel and anyway we pass. Tell them say the session of it. Tell them forensic evidence is not so necessary. I will take you one to show you which part body bury. If you're around I'll save you or somewhere close to ferry. Tie up lawyers and doctors and secretary. Want me drop a down the badness of the military. If you this the general dance so make that roll like cherry. Got me gun and wipe it off and up and miss a Perry. Hey boy no talk loud in my territory. From the prison to the mark to the cemetery. I say some dance so back and some of them are a live road boy. Take up. All I'm pull up. Boy them girl are pretty like money. So me know so the thing not over yet. It's never over till it's finished. Rhythm check. Anything else want to come in have a knock up. Fuck chain line, let's stop catch crab. What about bye. Play rhythm road boy, cause you don't know if I'm Jara sound I play and Stone Love sound string up a favorite two sound. Big up the man called Mr. Harper and the man called Father Poe. Then how them I go talk to it now. Cause some I worry about them house and some I worry about them car. Some I worry about them money where them put in a them jar. Never find no time for the almighty and star. Get up every day, some of them a boss and a blur. But praise Jah no star, praise Jah no star. Sufferation down I get to one day youth them a war. But praise Jah no star, praise Jah no star. Drive by shouting in a unknown. Pull up!
Junior Cat!
Just take it up, man. Don't get involved in my business. And don't call out my name. The fucking jury. You still tell my business. I talk to them with you and tell them we're free ninja, man. But a bye. 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 You think a chain will come, no come pop. You think a cane will come, no come chop. You think a door will come, no come knock. Them running rocket. Just show them friend them, give them a little thing and tell them go lock it. Go flip up on the down, now them violate, but we attract it. You spot it, just clap it, and make sure that you drop it. Lick off a couple pieces, then slip the thing back in your pocket. Not even bother run, just take your little time and track it. Or give the juvenile the piece of iron and tell him go, take up!
Yes, Junior Cat!
Yo, Reggae Chopper, play that.
Yes. Junior Cat! Okay. We are run from time, you know. A time we are run from. Body Roots. Body Roots. Coming at this, Body Roots.
Selassie. Now greet his name of his Imperial Majesty, Emperor Elias Selassie. Jah Rastafari, ever faithful, ever sure. I know, say, big up all landless people, Cottabong, Mudtown. You know, say, Killamanjaro, that's how you grow me, see? From day one. And big up God Youth Promotion. Saying, Bashman, history. Run it selector, I could deal it straight, cause you don't know what's the business around St. Speed. Playing in the ghetto, and Gyro playing in the ghetto. In a this dance. You one! Gyro playing in the dance hall tonight. We're gonna rock them tonight. Really gonna rock them tonight. Body roots are sing in the dance hall tonight. We're gonna rock them tonight. Really gonna rock them tonight. Stop your fussing and fighting. Stop your fussing and fighting.
Then you want go dead. You this a general petrol in your head. Jump on, pull up. Come in for the road. Got a long time me in a work on dancehall.
Yes, Junior Cat. Big up all the officers in the area. Chupa, Keith. Na 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 na. Pull up.
Now easy. Play with the dancehall top Killamanjaro. Yo, spliff is stay so. For the road, some moving the car, you bad boy. Look at music on, you know. Eh? Yes. I know she wanna leave me, but I refuse to let her go. Well, if I have to cry and plead for... Where's the Junior? Y'all put on your alone, can't do it, wash, cook and clean. Take care of me house and make me money come in. Woman, set up yourself and better do it right now.
Buenos dias, me say muchacho. I'm on for the roots, I'm El Salvador. My father own a truck and a big jumbo. It fly over the mountain, it kill a janko. Be able to hell and them call it Palisado. Tell me in a taxi and Volvo. Me know it from me head straight down to me toe. Oh, what you never know, what the roots are teaching so. Na 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 na.
Law! Man, so keep I'm great to keep and damn it some again, but I'm pretty fun sound to make even get her over country from don't take off a deep single jump. Oh, Jah, help me tonight. I've been suffering in thy sight. Well, if I eat, then I give her a fight. I'll walk with love, sweet love. I'll talk with love, sweet love. Have the love in my heart, you pack up in it a store. So tell the ghetto youth, them not broke out like no sore. No one see no more, ghetto youth on the floor. Policeman kill 3 and then soldier kill 4. Remember the massacre over Portmore. Population of the world are dropping more and more.
So I get up and slowly walk alone. And mama saw the tears and said, what's wrong? And just as the operator Chupa play sweet music, I saw my woman and my...
Alright, them say weeping, moaning and a gnashing of teeth. Hell, when the wicked and the righteous meet, they never did the plan, but how they want reap. Just operate the wolf are different from the sheep. Can you hear me out now, girl? Can you hear me out? The other day, me and this girl, she go out. Buy her some lobster, me buy her some stout. Tell her friend about you eat a patch it out. And the next night me still carry her out. Me show some broke lock down in her heart scout. She run gone a bathroom, she could not come out. And little of that toilet paper run out. And the girl will eat me out. Them office shit me out. Now come out your mouth, it fly out your back out. You happy are you? Will! Come in, Zodiac.
Make them know this, pick up Junior Cat. Yeah, I will show them.
Hold on.
I just more so.
Hold on. And me around the stage. Oh, hold on. Reggae, give me the same rhythm.
Hold on, now give me a buzz.
Hold on. Reggae, if every man I jump up, you can't jump up too. Give me the same rhythm. Okay. Watch me now. The system is a fraud. The system is a graveyard. And if you come again. Lower. The system is a fraud. The system is a graveyard. And if you walk downtown at night, you feel for fuss and fight. But if you walk uptown, the people them frown. The system is a fraud. Some of them reach half a tree. Them start to fret already. What a day when the pendulum swings. What a day when the well runs dry. And the children ask you why. And the people them a ball and sit and just a call. Either you took hard side.
Mota, we love you, we have to pull you up.
Boy, chupa ya bore rolling that tune here. Alright, we could have steal it straight dance in the set. Got you massive and crow. I was a life-feeding fool, feeding her so cool. She broke my heart and made me cry. Broke every rule and that's mine, true. Confession, she can read the story. Read it in the magazine, that's my true confession, true. Sorry, never treated us.
Wagwan ENT.